Lab team, this is your Salesforce guy, and I'm gonna switch to view here. This is the Avanti process as it exists 09, 06, 2018. That's Thursday, September 9th. Operator puts it in a case that generates a record in Salesforce on the case object, right? And anybody can view Sharon's new Avanti case report. And those are all the new cases that Avanti has entered. There are two manual steps in your inbound process. One is you look up and replace the master account record, which is Avanti, with the account name associated with the operator number, such as 1212-001. It's really easy to do, especially in Lightning. I love doing that in Lightning. And then you press FedEx Ship. And you press FedEx Ship here, right? Show you where to press it. You can either do it up here, return to HQ. Do you see this? So this is in Classic. Right there, I can generate a second one. I already generated one here, and there isn't a return to operator / customer. You can do that, or you can press on it and it'll go down to here. See, I generated this shipment this morning, return to HQ. In Lightning, let's take a look at this one. Related. So here you see this, right? It's this number, 1025. So all you do is 1025, you look it up. You're okay, who is it? Ah, look. All these records were imported on 724. It's AMN, whatever, right? You just back arrow a little bit. Here, I'll just show you. Just back arrow. You don't even have to put anything in. And you replace the Avanti with this. And if you just eliminate it, you'll show the last record you just had. So it's this. But I'm not gonna do that right here. Right? And then here, are you returning it to the operator, or you're returning it to, I'm going to go back to Classic. They're having a visualization error. Returning it back to the customer. So back to this one. Now you have this. Now, if you're running cases, for instance, you can do Sharon's new Avanti report. There's none. But here, for instance, did you notice the change status? You can change the status on all these with one here to whatever the status is. And you will run everything from status. And FedEx Ship through Process Builder will update this. Parts in transit, on hold, case entered by Avanti, parts received, being investigated, label sent to operator, right? So back to this. So Process Builder, I link Process Builder to that to then update the case status, right? And only on the first time, when you manually change status to label sent to operator, does this email trigger. That's it. And then the summary email is sent. And then everything is updated on the AWLP report that is weekly triggered to Crystal. And with that, I want to say that's your case object review. And the outbound, meaning when you, Andrew, ship it back, you need to tell me some clarification on that, how you want this to be tracked, or do you want the case just to be frozen? Thank you so much. Jürgen Hohen, your Salesforce guy, over and out.